How to make a flicker effect in Premiere Pro. Let's get into it. Come to New and choose Adjustment Layer and then choose OK. We then need to drag this adjustment layer on top of our clip, and then we need to adjust the size of this adjustment layer to suit the length of how long you want this effect to last for. For me, I'm going to make mine come up to around this area like so. With that done, we need to head up to Effects and search for Strobe Light. We then want to drag this strobe light effect onto our adjustment layer and then come up to Effect Controls, scroll down, and for strobe duration seconds, we want to change this to 0.10, and then the strobe period seconds, we want to change this to 0.15. You can experiment with these if you want to. You can also change the color of your strobe as well, but I do prefer to stick with a white for mine. An extra step that you can do is setting the blend with original so that the clip blends with the strobe. So I'm going to set mine to around 30% so it's not too harsh. You may not want to do that, but that's all there is to it.